1995. You here from
11 at 6 o'clock. 11 o'clock?
11 in the morning and
7 o'clock in the afternoon.
in the afternoon. Every day.
No. No los domingos. Monday.
Only you or somebody comes?
Only one day.
Only one day off. You don't think it's too much work for you?
What?
You need a retirement. You need to retire, no? Wow. So when you finish, you take the car, you go home, or you leave it here?
I go for parking.
Or park? Oh, okay. And then you bring this every morning. Somebody bring for you, or you bring? Your brother.
I pay $20 every day for one people for here.
For you. $20 every day for people to bring it for you.
Sí, aquí.
Plan to retire. Finish and then go to like a saving maybe something, make more vacation.
December.
December?
December y January.
Oh, December, January, okay, you're not here. But from the... Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. So you take 1 month?
1, 2 months.
1 or 2 months? Okay. So like in December, January, then you see the weather is good?
January, February.
And then February,
2 months very cold.
Yeah. So now you go to Dominican Republic, or you say?
Dominican Republic.
Oh yeah. I know it's more tropical over there, like more fun, and then you take them out.
Yeah.
Okay, I see. When I tried them all, it was so perfect. Yeah, it was so nice. So that's what I came back to make a documentary about you, like stay here for 30 good years. I think you dedicated. You are very good, very good. Because nobody can do this now.
Thank you.
Yeah, nobody can do this. One now.
This.
Yeah.
This is keep it.
Keep it.
This is wheat. Inside this.
Inside it has a beef?
Beef.
Oh, okay. Can I see one? Let me see. One only. Oh, okay. Oh, one. Okay. much are those?
$2 everything.
Okay.
This is cassava.
That's cassava?
Inside chicken.
Chicken inside the cassava, right? That one, that one is the beef.
This.
Yeah.
I have cheese, chicken and cheese.
Okay.
This.
This one is the beef. The other one is beef.
This is cheese, this is chicken.
Cuando a mí me veía que tenía una semana, nuevamente, algo así. ¿Cuánto, Mary?
$2. ¿Y cómo tú estás?
Todo bien, mami, todo bien.
Gracias, señor. Yuca. Cassava. Inside beef, chicken and cheese. This is beef.
Okay, that's the beef. Okay.
This is chicken.
Chicken.
This is cheese. ¿Qué quieres?
De carne.
Pastelito de pollo y de queso.
No, de ese no. Sobre. Empanada.
Pollo o carne. ¿Carne?
Pollo. Los mismos pollo y carne, ¿no?
No. La carne la de rey y la de pollo de pollo.
¿Tú quieres hacerlo? ¿Usted cree eso?
Dígame.
¿Usted cree eso?
Sí.
Que Dios le bendiga esa mano.
Amén. Gracias. A dos también. ¿Qué te doy? ¿Bollito bollito?
Para tirarle para qué noticia. Televisión. Ah, pues voy a ver.
This is chicken. Domingo no. Monday, Friday. Passion fruit,
Passion fruit?
yeah. Lemonade, onion.
Okay. Finito. Gracias.